Hi boys and girls, aunties and uncle, welcome back to my channel. My name is CK and my channel is Ecology, where I bring my viewers you around the world to eat, see and explore. I have landed today in the province of Samut Prakan, the province next to Bangkok. In October, every October, there's a special festival here in Samut Prakan. And it's only 10 days. The neighborhood of Pak Nam. This is the largest festival in the township of Pak Nam. And today I'm going to explore Pak Nam in the special Pak Nam Festival held every October. ไปเลย So guys, that's the huge market that I'm going to explore. I'm already so super hungry. It looks incredible. Not a foreigner in sight as well. What we're doing is we're walking from the station. We're walking this huge long skywalk all the way to the back. So I'm starting like all the way to the back because everybody is starting right near the station. So we're gonna start right at the very back so that we go opposite direction and it's probably not so crowded at the back. It's gonna be huge crowd because it's a holiday today here in Thailand. Maleng. Oh, easy. 20 baht. What is this? Squid? Oh, look at this squid. Oh, it's very spicy.
ไข่หมึกเราก็ถือเป็นทางทานกับนกกระทาทั้งเมืองสุโขทัยไม่สูตรของเขาเองเลย
It's so many people and so crowded and there's so many food that I haven't seen. This truly is a very big festival. Oh, the amazing food, snack, dessert, ice cream, khanom jin, bread, confectionery, ice cream. I could go on. All the food that is on display is really a feast for the eyes. Too bad I only have one stomach. But trying different things. Some of the stalls here are so hot cake that there is just this very long line of some of the stalls. Unbelievable.
ไม้ละ10 บาทเชิญด้านนี้เลยค่ะ
This is เต่าหู
หมูยอแท้ 100%
Oh, this is with chili skin.
And this is a black pepper.
This black pepper. I want the chili หนึ่งนี้หนึ่งนี้หนึ่ง
You want more?
No, I just want to film. อีกทีครับมันนักกะทิ
เอาไหม
Oh, look at that. Oh. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a, no, I don't want.
เอาไม่จะซื้อไม่
It's the coconut so creamy.
สวัสดีครับ
Oh, the lychee. Oh, looks amazing. I cannot. ช้า where can you get this in Malaysia? Nowhere. This is great. It looks amazing. How much was this? 10?
35 baht.
Oh, this was 35 baht. Look how huge it is. It's the lasagna, vegetarian lasagna that I spotted. Spinach. With spinach. It was really good. So this dessert shop, I have never seen anything like this. It's like they have this glutinous material, and then they put all the fruits inside and the chocolate inside this glutinous pie thing, and then they roll it in like powder or cereal, and then they serve it like that. It looks very unhealthy, but something I've never seen before. The lines are very, very long, so I'm not gonna wait here, but something that I shot that I felt that you should know.
Roti. โอ้
เคบับค่ะลูกค้าจ๋าแป้งนุ่มให้ดีนะโรตีเป็นตัวนี้ค่ะไม่ใช้น้ำมันไม่มีน้ำตาลค่ะหวานหอมเนยนมและกรอบครับเรียกว่าโรตีทิชชู่เป็นโรตีกรอบของบ้านเลยค่ะอร่อยค่ะลองหน่อยค่ะกรอบบางหวานมันกรอบได้ข้ามวันเลยนะจ๊ะเนื้อมีไก่เนื้อทูน่าลูกค้าอยากได้อะไรดีคะอร่อยกันเลยเลยค่ะ
It's pretty near impossible to shoot because everybody is squeezed into 2 lanes, and all the stalls here are basically squeezed shoulder to shoulder. So whatever we eat, we have to finish. Whatever we eat, we have to finish. Even though I had wet tissue, I have they gave you like small spoon and fork, but very difficult to film. We're just stopping by this noodle place for more noodles. The noodle is good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Mama.
Mama. Throw it. Stir it a little bit. Oh wow. Nice, right? As the sun sets over Samut Prakan, the energy at the Pak Nam Festival shifts. The incredible aromas from the food stall now mix with the sounds of pure, unadulterated fun. Because when night falls, the heart of the festival beats loudest right here at the fun fair. And what a spectacle it is. It's a symphony of simple joys. I've never seen so many creative games in one place. This isn't a corporate sponsored carnival. It's a grassroots passion. Each stall owner, without a big budget, has poured their hearts into creating a little arena of competition. There's the rapid pop, pop, pop of balloon darts, the focused twip of rubber guns as visitor takes aim, determined to win that prize plush toy dangling just out of reach. The competition is fierce, not just amongst players, but amongst the stalls themselves, each one vying for your attention with its unique charm, and with stalls owners screaming over each other with their loudspeaker to get your attention. It's more than just a game, it's the vibrant beating heart of a community celebration. A night of laughter, lights, and unforgettable local spirits, I felt. A huge goldfish pond with all you can catch goldfish. This huge goldfish pond, all you can catch goldfish. Wow.
ไม่โยนมาทางนี้ไปเอาใหม่บิดมือหน่อยไปทางนี้ไปนี้ไปนี้นี่นะอย่าไปโยนเอาทางนี้ไปก็ทางนี้ไปดิปลาไม่ปักอ่ะแต่ว่าเล่นจริงไม่สอนแล้วนะ20 บาทพอแรงนี่เอาแบบนี้เรียบร้อยได้เลยอีกรอบไหมไม่ได้เดี๋ยวมีรางวัลให้ไปอีกรอบไปตุ๊กตาไงให้ตุ๊กตาว่าไงเอา20 บาทได้นะครับ 20ได้ตัวนู้นนะปลาไม่ปากโขได้ไหมยะใช่แล้วลุยเลยเปิดดูดิ
หมดแล้วพอแล้วปลาหน้าพ่อค้าให้20 บาทได้ตัวเล็กแบบนี้ หน้าหนูนะไม่ใช่หน้าจริงกติกาง่ายครับถ้าเราปลาไปแล้วกระป๋องหล่นดูไม่ได้ดูใหม่ครับอันนี้เบิ้งดู60 บาทเอาไป2 ลูกไหม2 ลูกร้อยเอาไปลูกเดียวหรือ2 ลูกเดียวแจกตัว
เอา20 บาทได้เลย
เลือกตัวแจกตุ๊กตาตัวใหญ่เลือกได้ทั้งร้านลูกเดียว60 บาท
20 บาทได้เลยตัวใหญ่จ้า
เฮ้ยยกลอง
ตัวใหญ่เลย
เฮ้ย
But I've shown you as much as I can for this festival happening every year only in October here in Pak Nam. I hope you enjoyed this video. This market, I mean this festival really truly is very local. I hardly see any foreigners. I mean the 2 bowls of noodle we ate was 120 baht. That's how local price it was. Astounded, I was so astounded how well managed and how thousands and thousands of things I see here in Pak Nam is really truly amazing. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoy me bringing you sightseeing here in Pak Nam Festival. I'll see you in my next video and I'm heading home because it's raining. Bye! เจอกัน from Pak Nam here in Samut Prakan.